Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high-level sequence math is nothing but dry formulas, rigid textbook patterns, and exhausting brute force calculations that take all the fun out of thinking, get ready to change your mind completely. In this video, we step into the shoes of a math detective to solve a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 9-10 sequence puzzle using pure logical thinking, spatial creativity, and an ingenious pattern-spotting shortcut rather than mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. 3,042 balls are arranged in a row and are numbered from 1 to 3,042. Each ball is colored in one of four colors: white, red, yellow, or blue. Among any 5 consecutive balls, there is exactly one red, one yellow, and one blue ball. After any red ball, the next ball is yellow. The balls numbered 3, 30, and 303 are green. What color is the ball numbered 3042? A. White. B. Red. C. Yellow. D. Blue. E. Impossible to determine. This is the brief on cracking the 30-40-second ball logic puzzle. It's a step-by-step breakdown of a colorful math sequence puzzle, demonstrating how spotting patterns and using a little deductive detective work beats brute force every time. First, let's find the core pattern. The puzzle states any 5 consecutive balls contain exactly one red, one yellow, and one blue. So the sequence absolutely has to repeat every 5 balls. Since our 3 primary colors take up 3 spots, the remaining 2 spots in this 5-ball block simply must be white. Second, let's use quick mental math for placement. The puzzle says balls 3, 30, and 303 are white. Just divide by 5 and check the remainder. 3 leaves 3. 30 divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 0, meaning it's exactly the 5th spot. So positions 3 and 5 in our block are white. Finally, let's solve the whole sequence. The rules say yellow must follow red. Since position 5 is white, red can't be in position 4. So red and yellow must be in spots 1 and 2, leaving position 4 for blue. To find the 30-40-second ball, use that remainder trick one last time. 30-42 divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 2. Looking at our block, position 2 is yellow. Mastering logic sequences is simply a matter of identifying the repeating block and using basic remainder math to pinpoint any position. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.